Good afternoon guys, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today to show you this incredible family home. It's got a double storey extension, 3 generously sized bedrooms, and they've also gone into the loft. As you can see, you've got plenty of space for off-road parking to the front, and we are located over on Rose Avenue, a lovely, desirable, quiet road within Irlam. So the property has been extended, double storey to the side, and then we also have the conservatory coming off this generous family lounge. So it's lovely and spacious. There's bespoke cabinetry built in, offering excellent storage, and then continuing through to this additional downstairs space. It's excellent, as you can see, a versatile room, currently used as a home office and a playroom, but you have this incredible family living. And then opposite the hallway, there's an incredible, fantastic sized kitchen dining space, along with the downstairs bathroom. Storage in the hallway, nicely presented, plenty of storage, electric hob, access out onto the lovely rear garden, gas WC just tucked away here beneath the stairs. A garage, and as you can see, a fair sized garden out the back, which does benefit from the sun. So as we head up to the first floor, go into the master bedroom. So we've got this lovely bespoke fitted wardrobes, giving you fantastic storage, that lovely dressing area just tucked away, plenty of storage, and then space for your king size bed. Lovely and bright in here. You've got the windows on either side of this room, and this then is the extension. And then going back over to the original build, you've got 2 further double bedrooms and access then into our loft space. So bedroom 2, and then another generously sized double here, bedroom 3. Family bathroom, lovely traditional style, nice and modern. TV built into the wall there also. Vanity unit offering excellent storage. That rainfall shower head. This was originally bedroom 3. The stairs have then been built to create this fabulous loft room. So you've got a wardrobe built in here, additional storage, lovely and bright with these Velux windows, and then as you can see, there is a double bed in here. Many would use as a bedroom. Beautiful views out the window there. Really generous sized room. Once again, a versatile space to use as you wish. Location wise, we are excellently located in regards to your local amenities. Shops, parks, all on your doorstep here. Primary and secondary schools, just a short journey from the property. Now, if you are looking for that fabulous family home, ready for your upsize, looking for that forever dream home, give us a call to book your viewing on 0161 707 4900.